Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all. Good morning. How are you? Good. Now, let me see what we have discussed in the previous classes. In the previous classes, we have discussed regarding DOM. In the DOM, we have discussed, let me show you. In the DOM, we have discussed that there is one object that knows, or there is one object that contains complete HTML and CSS. What is that object name, sir? Document. What is the object name? Document. Online, are you there? Can you hear me? Online, can you hear me? Please respond, sir. Online, can you hear me? Yes, yes. Okay, you can respond through the answers too. Now, there is one object called document which knows whole HTML and CSS. Now, you can manipulate the DOM in however the ways you like. To manipulate something, first you should select the element. How do you select a element from DOM? Get element by class name, get element by tag name, get element by ID, query selector all. You can choose any one. I choose most of the times get element by ID. Next. Sir, you can manipulate text content, inner text, inner HTML, style, class list, value. These are the things we discussed yesterday. How many of you practiced DOM yesterday? Good. Does any one of you have link to show? Online, does any one of you have any link to show? Online, does any one of you have any link to show, sir? Online, does any one of you have link to show? No. We'll do DOM creation now today. At least after this today's class, you guys will do it. Let's see what does it mean by creation. You go here, you see something like Netflix. You will see so many elements now. Now, if you observe every element here is using one image. Every element here is using one image, is using one name. Every element here is using one image, is using one name, and yes, you are inside one div, right or not? Right or not, sir? Sir, if you see same thing is repeating again and again, again, again. Can I able to create this many divs in HTML? It's very difficult. But instead, JavaScript can do. JavaScript can even create elements. JavaScript can even create elements into the HTML. Till now, you access the elements which are created in HTML and you changed it, right or not? Sir, already in HTML you gave one paragraph, sir. You access them, change the value. You gave some H2, sir, access them and change the value. But you never created the elements, right? Now you are going to. Just a minute. Now, focus here. Now, let's start here, everyone. I'm gonna create it elements in the HTML. Let me start it. Let me show it to you some real time, same like Netflix. Hmm, let me show you one website like To Do. See this To Do application. Now you have something like To Do application, sir. Now in this To Do application, someone is asking what mean by value. Value is nothing but an input value. Value is used to access input value. For example, in HTML, you put one input, you gave something in input, user will type it something hello in the input or something prasad in input. JavaScript should take that prasadna, whatever they enter, and they will access those details using value. Yesterday we discussed. We did the whole form using value only, na? Is it clear, ma? Online. Online, is it clear, sir? See, here I am typing in input. Imagine I am typing coding. A coding value, whenever I type it here, it should take it by JavaScript, na? How it will take it by JavaScript? It will use value only. Now, देखो, click here. Running. Now, sir, if you observe this carefully, inside the body, inside this UL, can you see anything is there inside the UL? Everyone see. Is there any details inside the UL, ma? No. Online, please see this. Is there any details inside the UL, sir? No. If I give here something like code. Now, can you see inside the UL one LI created? Can I see something? Can you see one more LI created? Can you see one more LI created? Did they write it 3 LIs, ma? Did they write that 3 LIs? No. They wrote only one LI. And that they did not even write one LI, but they added using the JavaScript. Added using the JavaScript. How do you add an element or create an element using JavaScript? Let's do it. Document object. Everyone online, please focus here. Document object can create can create document object can create an element can create an element using following methods. There are three methods you need to remember. The first one, create element. Create element. Create element. You will give one tag name, sir. Create element. It is used to create an element. It is used to create an element. Create element is used to create an element. Append child. Append child. Append बोले तो add. Append बोले तो add. Append child. Append child element. It is used to append or add an element. Third one, append element 1, element 2, I will tell you what is what one by one, don't worry. It is used to add एलिमेंट्स मल्टीपल एलिमेंट्स है तो अपेंड है, सिंगल एलिमेंट है तो अपेंड चाइल्ड है, सिंपल। नो नो ऑनलाइन टिल नाउ एनी डाउट सर? ऑनलाइन टिल नाउ एनी डाउट्स? नाउ in the group someone's mentioned it like uh, you know how to change the origin in VS Code. You can change the origin values in GitHub. How you will change it in origin, you can do that. If you want it, I will share it like after the class, I will tell you. And someone mentioned some site also. You can use Telegram if you have any doubts also, like task on 08. Just a pause, ma. I'm just showing you someone did one site and they mentioned it in the group also. I just want to see it like what they did. This one is really good. They tried to put one gradient in the background. This one I love it. Let me type it here. Prasa. Can you see whenever I'm typing here, score is increasing? Can you see this? Now, if I see this project, what I will understand? I will understand the person who did this at least knows how to take the value. Every time it's taking its value, na? Whatever you are typing, sir, it is taking its value and giving it the answer. How many characters? And if I click here, dark light, a change हो रहा है. Now if I enter here, Prasad, and if I click here, dark and light mode change हो रहा है. ये काली इसका color change हो रहा है. So he is changing the style. He is changing the class. He is changing the put also value. Three things in one project. At least one person did the project. I hope remaining all are also trying. If you try and remember the concept, I'm fine with it. But if you are a person who did not even try now, slowly it will be difficult for you. Now, sir, today DOM creation है. Creation बोले तो you are going to create one element. You are going to create one element. First, I will create slowly, one by one, level by level we will do. First, basic level we will try. देखो, JavaScript, code. Remember these three methods. Create element, append child, append. Create element, append child, append. Now, one by one task we will do, sir. 3, index.html. Online, whoever did not get it till now, if you understand DOM creation, automatically will understand all DOM till now. So you can see that, sir, and tell me, online, please tell me any questions you have. Offline also. Single doubt you have also, Bolore. Problem with this class is no one speaks up. Acha, देखो, you are full stack people. That means you are going to have everything clarity, right or not? तो बात करना है. If you speak up now, I will understand what you are getting it. You will also understand with a clarity. कुछ भी थोड़ा simple भी बोलो. Is this clear? Online also clear, ma? Online also, is it clear, sir? Online, is this clear? Are you all there, sir? Yeah, at least someone replied. Good. Now let's see exclamation enter. Now I'm creating here script src./script.js div hash box. देखो, I created one div box. Did I put inside the box anything? No. You go here. Is there anything? No. Nothing you have. Because it's an empty one, sir. Now I want to write here one paragraph. And inside this paragraph, I am Prasad. Now can anyone tell me what will happen? It will print I am Prasad in the screen. Na? Everyone knows it. HTML easy है. इधर प्रसाद लिखे है तो इधर प्रसाद आता. I want to write this in JavaScript. हमको ये आउटपुट चाहिए. लेवल 1 वेरी सिंपल है. एक पैराग्राफ क्रिएट करना, उसके अंदर आई एम प्रसाद लिखना. बट दैट इज नॉट इन HTML. HTML में नहीं, जावास्क्रिप्ट में करना है. क्लियर? करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट, हाउ डू यू क्रिएट one element? See that 3 methods I told you. How do you create an element? What is the method name? Create element. Create element. So I'm creating one element, sir. Const para equals to document dot create element. Which element I'm creating? Paragraph. So you will write it here in quotation p tag. P tag बोले तो paragraph. Sir, what is this step mean? It means you created one paragraph. Did you write anything in the paragraph? Paragraph भी empty है. How do you write inside the paragraph? Inner text or text content? How do you write it inside text, sir? Inner text or text content na? You can use anything. Para dot text content. What I'm writing? Very good. Right. Sir, what you did, sir? In first line number 1, you created paragraph. Line number 2, in that paragraph, you wrote I am Prasad. Doubt, sir? Can we write instead of para anything? Yes. कुछ भी. बट एक कुछ भी के अंदर लिखना है. डाउट? हम एक पैराग्राफ क्रिएट कर दिया, वो पैराग्राफ को एक वेरिएबल नेम दे दिया कुछ भी के अंदर लिख रहा है. कुछ भी के अंदर लिख रहा है बोले तो पैराग्राफ के अंदर लिख रहा है, राइट? इनडायरेक्टली आई एम राइटिंग इनसाइड पैराग्राफ एंड आई राइट इट आई एम प्रसाद. कोई डाउट है? Sir, you created paragraph, you write it inside. But how it will come inside the HTML? In HTML, what is there? See, in HTML, what is there? One div. What is ID? Box. I have to put that paragraph inside this element, na? You created one paragraph. That should be inside this, na? How do you put one element inside another element? Okay. How do you put one element inside another element? Now, first select that element. First select that element. How do you select that element, sir? Document dot get element by ID name. I selected one element. वो element का name main div. What is the name? Main div can be anything. Main div can be anything. Now in this main div, I want to say main div के अंदर लिखना है तो append. Append और append child दो element है. Append child बोले तो एक ही element add कर रहा है. Append बोले तो more. How many elements you are adding now? One. What element you are adding? Paragraph. So if you are adding one element, append or append child? Append child. See, you can see that in your notes. Append child is to append one element. Append is to append elements. Right or not? So हम एक ही element कर रहे हैं. तो append child. What is the element name sir here? What is the element name here? Paragraph is the element, but name is कुछ भी. Right? You can put name anything. हो गया. Now जाओ उधर. Run your program. Now if I take this, now right click, inspect. You have body na? Inside the body you have box na? See, inside the box paragraph is there, and inside the paragraph what is there? But sir, did you write this in HTML? Did you write this paragraph? No. देखो ये तुम्हारा HTML है. Did you write anything inside? No. But in output you got it inside one element na? How did you get it? First, line number 1. You created one paragraph. What is the line number 1? Created the paragraph. What is the name of paragraph you kept? Kuch bhi. You can put anything. Okay. Now, for simple understanding, I'm keeping it again para. What is the name of my paragraph? Para. Now, text content. Text content बोले तो para के अंदर क्या लिखना है? तुम para के अंदर क्या लिखना है? Text content. What you are writing? What you are writing? I'm Prasad. Now, लिख दिया. उसके बाद, you took the main div. How do you take this main div? इधर element है. I'm taking this div document dot box. Inside this element, you wanna keep your paragraph. How do you keep this element inside another element? Append child. Main div के अंदर ये कुछ भी लिखो. इधर कुछ भी नहीं है, इधर पैरा लिखो. सिंपल. Sir, what is this append child? Append child will append. Append बोले तो add. Append child will add. Append child will add this paragraph inside the main div. Append child will add this paragraph inside the child. Inside the main div. Paragraph, it will add paragraph inside the main div as a child. Now, sir, there are two methods, append child or append. Append child is used for one element. Append is used for multiple elements. ऑनलाइन कोई डाउट है सर? ऑनलाइन कोई डाउट है? Online, anyone have any doubts in these 4 lines? Online, is this clear, ma? Everyone, anyone, please tell me if you have any doubt. I hope it is clear. When you able to create now, everyone ask, create, create, create an image element, an image element, give src, give src, alt, and append into HTML. Can you do it, sir? Everyone, please try it, sir. I will show it to you also. Can please try it, sir? I will show it to you, your answer also in 5 minutes. Quickly, sir. Now everyone create it, sir. Do it. Let's write it here. I will also do it for you. Const image equals to document dot create element. I'm creating one element called img. Element name is img. Then image dot src. सर व्हाट इज एसआरसी? देखो पैरा है तो पैराग्राफ है तो टेक्स्ट कंटेंट रहता, because inside the paragraph text will be there, but inside the image text will not be there. Inside the image src will be there. तो image को src देना है. src value, let me give here one src value. I will take one link in the internet. I will go here, something like shinchan. We'll just go here. We'll just go here, right click, open, copy. I go here. I just added one src. After this, image को alt दे दो. Not alt, shinchan. Now, main div dot append child. So what is append child? Append child is used to add one element. Here I'm adding only one element, which is image. Earlier also added one element, paragraph separately. If you are adding both at a time, na, you will use append. What you will use? Append. Now can you see? It printed something, I'm Prasad. Online, anyone have doubts in this? Online, anyone have doubts in this? No. I hope it is so clear. No. Let's put this one something, organize the code nicely. Now, sir, You know what I will do? One time I'm adding append child, again adding append child. Instead of two steps, na, I will remove it. I will write it like here directly main div dot append. Main div dot append. Image comma para. Both I am adding at a time. If you are adding both at a time, you will use append. If you are adding one by one, what you will add? Append child. Now you can create any element, sir. You can create list, you can create para, you can create div, you can create kuch bhi. Let me create one div. What I'm creating? Div. I'm creating const div equals to or my div kuch bhi. My div equals to document dot create element name div. What is the element name? Obviously na. Now I will write it. Sir, you created one div. I will put this image and paragraph inside the my div. This image and paragraph inside the sir क्या कर दिया तुम? You created one empty div. You created one image. You created one para. You added para and image to my div. But will it come to the screen? No, क्योंकि screen में खाली main div है. I want to print main div. So ये my div main div को दे दो. Main div dot append child. I just want to use everything, so that's why I used my div. Sir, what you did, देखो इधर. First, in HTML, what is there? Div ID equals to box. Inside this, you created another div. Inside this, what you created? Another div. In this div, you put here one image, you put here one paragraph. देखो, एक image है, एक paragraph है. ये दोनों ये div के अंदर है, ये div main div के अंदर है. Online any doubts? How did you give div to class or ID name? Can anyone tell me how to give class name for this div? Very good. How do you give class name for this div? Class list. Online someone asked me, how do you give class name? I can give this my div dot class list. I'm adding one name. Div. You go here, refresh, go here. Can you see इसको एक class name है? Div. बराबर easy है. You can do anything, but sir, interesting. Did you write this all in HTML? Did you write this all in HTML? No, JavaScript create कर दिया है पूरा. Online any doubt, sir? Online any doubts? See these lines online. If you get it any doubts, you can let me know. Online, is it clear, ma? Now, so anyone tell me what will happen if I do this? I am creating one for loop, starting with 1, ending with 10, each time plus plus, and I'm doing this whole thing inside this. Can anyone tell me what will happen? Yes, what will happen? Sir, first time you are creating one div. You are creating one image. You are creating one paras, and you are keeping image para inside div. This process you are doing how many times? Here how many times? 10 times. देखो, here how many times? 10 times. तो 10 times 10 divs आता ना? 10 images रहता है ना? 10 paragraphs रहते हैं ना? देखो, 10 बार हो गया. CSS दे दिए तो और अच्छा रहता. CSS style. I will give this hash box because this is the main div. In this main div, if I give display grid na, display grid template column, repeat 4 comma 1 fr. Go here. You know what I will do now. Now everyone देखो here what I am trying to do. अभी बोलो क्या होता. बोलो क्या होता अभी. 100. now देखो. Right click, inspect. See here, 100 times the divs created. Huh? మధ్యలో మార్చుకోవాలంటే అర్థం కాల. ఏం మార్చుకోవాలంటే you can change it. First thing I am just showing you. See, here problem is here I am repeating same procedure 10 times. Every time I am giving the same image link na. But sir, if I want to change, you can change it. If you want, I will do that also. But did you all understand this one first? I will create it that also now. Online, is it clear, ma? 100 times. Now, next thing what I will do is 100 times I will print 100 different images, 100 different names. Online or offline, anyone have doubts? Because see how much powerful the DOM is. Can you able to create this many times, sir? Can you able to do it using HTML? No, HTML में हर टाइम copy paste करना है, बहुत मुश्किल रहता. But JavaScript can do that easily. Online, any doubts? Online, is it clear, sir? Yes. Okay. Control KC. Someone asked me, I'm just stopping whole thing now. Now, is there anything now? कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि HTML empty है box. I just put it everything comment. Now this time someone asked me how to print it each time different value, अलग अलग value. पहला डेटा चाहिए तुमको, अलग अलग डेटा. I'm taking one array, const cartoons. Array name is cartoons. What is array name? Cartoons. In this array, you will have each cartoon one object. Now, one object like, what is the cartoon name? Title, Shinchan, image, you put it proper name. Now, Sir, API concept is there in JS. It is there, but we are not discussing now. We are now discussing how to print the static data. We are printing the data only, na? Today's concept is about printing the data. In future, now I am creating the arena. In future, what we will do, we will take this data from the API. Okay, that also we will do dynamically. Now, go here. Let's go here. Let's go to here, cartoons link. Let's go to here, Shinchan. Right click, open, copy, go here, paste. See, I only creating links na. I am only creating one data. Okay. और कुछ भी. Copy, paste. This time, Doraemon. Let's go here. Doraemon. This one is looking good actually. Doraemon. Next one. Next one. See, we are creating the data because we are not having any database now. In future, we will do that. Now, go here. Any other cartoon, sir? Ninja Hattori. Tori. Open. Copy. Joro. Joro is anime na? Hey, don't confuse with the animation cartoons, Ray. Joro is cartoon? No, I don't think so. Anyway, let's go here. Any other names? Tom and Jerry is there, right? At least now you guys are speaking. Good. Thank you. Good. Online, whoever think that Naruto is also anime, right? Tom and Jerry. Okay, last one. Chota Bhim. Good Sagar. Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Tales, ah? I don't know that. It will not work. That image will not work, sir. Image should contain last JPG or something kind of like this. Then only it will work directly. Total, how many values are there in your array? Sir, total, I have 5 values, sir. But in every value, there is one title and image link. Title and image link. Sir, I have one array. Now in this array, 5 values are there. Each value contain one title and each value contain one image link. And I wanted to print them. Now, sir, I wanted to print them like this. Everyone see this. I wanted to print them like this. One div, inside this Tom and Jerry or kuch bhi image. Then here title. This is what my target. Like this, all images I want to print. Tell me how many elements I have to create it here. See this in this design, how many elements you are creating? How many elements you are creating? First, you are creating one div. What you are creating? Div. Here, what you are creating? Image. What you are creating? Image. Here, what you are creating? This one, title. For title, you can take heading or paragraph, kuch bhi. So total, how many elements are there? Div, image, paragraph. Doubt? Doubt ma? हर एक कार्टून का एक div चाहिए, हर each कार्टून का एक इमेज चाहिए, हर each कार्टून का एक टाइटल चाहिए. टोटल 3 elements are there. Online, any doubts? Once again, listen to this, sir. I want to create it something a design like this. For this design, I have to create it one div. I have to create it one image. I have to create it one paragraph. If you write in HTML, how you will write it, sir? Same thing, na? For each and every cartoon, you will create one div, na? For each and every cartoon, you will put one image, na? For each and every cartoon, you will put one paragraph, na? The image and paragraph will be inside this div, na? Any doubts in this? This is just the idea. We are just planning. Any doubts in my plan, sir? Online, is it clear till now? Online, is it clear till now? Yes. So total how many elements? 3 elements. Lelo. Okay, sir. Let me write it here one function. Sir, why do you write in function? Everything, if you write it in function, now it will look good as a programmer. Display data. And here inside this, I'm calling the function. Now, inside this, sir, I want to print each and every element of the array. Can anyone tell me how to go to each and every element of the array? For each. How to go to each and every element of the array? Array का नाम cartoons है. Cartoons for each के अंदर एक एरो फंक्शन ले लिया. तो val. सर val बोले तो क्या? Val बोले तो first time first object, right or not? Second time, third time, fourth time, fourth. Each time that particular value will be val, right or not? If you see it also output, you can able to see it. So inspect. देखो हर each time the object print हो रहा है. Any doubt, sir? Why only 4 are printing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I put only 4. Ninja Hattori I removed. I don't know. We'll see it anyway. Now, see it printed 4. Any doubts, ma? No. सर हर each टाइम वैल बोले तो ए ऑब्जेक्ट का वैल्यू है सर. अच्छा है. नाउ नाउ सी आई वांट टू क्रिएट 3 एलिमेंट्स. पहला क्रिएट करो. कॉन्स्ट कार्टून ड्यू कार्टून ड्यू equals to document dot create element. Document dot create element. What is the element name? Hey, array, cartoon div is the element name. No, I'm saying it. Which element you are creating? Div. Which element you are creating? पहले div create कर. अरे HTML में सोच रहे. HTML में कैसे लिखता? पहले div create करता ना. उसके बाद इसके बाद उसके बाद सिंपल यू विल राइट इनसाइड द इमेज कोई src alt लिखते हैं ना. पूरा सेम वे. पहला ये div को एक क्लास नेम दे रहा है. हाउ डू यू गिव क्लास नेम फॉर दिस? cartoon div dot class list dot add. I am giving for this div one class name called cartoon. What is the class name? Cartoon. Next, create one image element. Cartoon image. You can put any name equals to document dot create element. I'm creating one image element, sir. What I'm creating? Image. Now, inside this image element dot src equals to inside this cartoon image src is equals to value. Can anyone tell me where is the image link? Where is the image link, sir? Inside the object, inside the image link, inside the image link. Sir, first time value will be first value. Now, if you take val dot image link, that is not an array. Someone is thinking val of one. No, that is not an array. That is an object. ऑब्जेक्ट को कैसा ऐड करता? वैल्यू डॉट प्रॉपर्टी नेम. ओबीजे ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर नेम है तो ओबीजे डॉट नेम दे दिए तो आता. तो वैल डॉट इमेज लिंक. वैल डॉट इमेज लिंक आ रहा है. इमेज लिंक तो इसका आल्ट चाहिए. आल्ट वैल डॉट टाइटल आ गया. नाउ कॉन्स्ट लेट मी क्रिएट वन कार्टून. वन कार्टून कार्टून इमेज हो गया. लेट मी क्रिएट इट वन कार्टून पैरा equals to document dot create element. The element name is para. Element name is sorry. Element is paragraph. Name is actually cartoon para. So go here. Cartoon para dot text content equals to val dot title. Val dot title. Online, are you all getting my point, ma? सर वैल्यू के अंदर टाइटल में क्या है? हम पैराग्राफ में दे रहे हैं. वैल्यू के अंदर इमेज लिंक में क्या है? हम IMG SRC में दे रहा है. राइट और नॉट? सर नाउ इमेज इज ओवर, paragraph is over. But image and paragraph should be inside what element? Div. Inside the div. What is the div name here? See, what is the div name here? Cartoon div. Cartoon div dot. How many elements you are inserting inside this cartoon div? Two. If you are inserting two elements, which method you will use? Append or append child? Append. Because you are using multiple, I am using append. Append के अंदर cartoon image है. Cartoon. I added image. I added para. I added image and para. Now, will it come on the screen? No. Why? Because in screen main div is there. In screen, what is there? Box. This div ID box. Only this is there. I want to put this div inside this box. I want to put this main div inside that box. How do you write it, sir? I take the already main div. Now I will write it here. Main div dot append child. And what is it? Cartoon div. हो गया. Can you see all are coming here? They all are coming here. But what is the problem, sir? Images are not coming nicely. Cartoon, IMG, cartoon, IMG. We'll write it here with 150 pixel. Out. Go here. Let me write it CSS, more CSS. If I write it more CSS, you will understand it more easily. Height 200 pixel. Box sizing, border box. Padding 10 pixel. Background color. No. Border radius 20 pixel. Box shadow 2 pixel. 3 pixel. Oh, I'm giving it for image na? Wrong है. हरीश कार्टून को दे दो. Someone is saying it, you did not uh, cartoon image class to JS. How it is taking the CSS? Who said it? I did not added the cartoon CSS. देखो, I added cartoon class name na. I added one class name called cartoon na. Right or not? I added one class name called cartoon for the div. You can see that. And if you see here, inside the cartoon IMG is there. You can access na. Now, box shadow, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 10 pixel. Mm, right. Cartoon, text line, center, font size, 24 pixel, font style, no, font weight, bold. हो गया. कोई डाउट है? हरीश वाला को गैप चाहिए. गैप. नो, इधर. गैप 20 पिक्सल. डाउट सर? अच्छा, कार्टून वेबसाइट बन गया. नाउ, नाउ, sir, understand my logic. Understand my logic. Here, You have 4 images and 4 data inside one array. Inside one array. That is why you are getting it like this. Imagine inside this array, I added one more detail. I go here, I go here. Inside this array, I added one more detail. Imagine. What will happen, sir? If I add one more chota beam, what is happening now? One more beam will come now. Now inside the array, if I have 100 elements, 100 different elements, imagine inside the array, 100 different elements are there. 100 different values will come now. Online, any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts? You don't need to write the data also 100. I will say, uh, Gemini, go to Gemini, Google. This is my sample array. Create similar array with 100 different cartoon details. See, you don't need to write it now. Okay. This is not a simple thing. This is not like everyone, you don't need to do it like every time. People will do this. ChatGPT, oh, it's not doing it. It's asking me to check it. No, it is giving me procedure. Give me the array. Go here. Can you see this, sir? So many are there. Now they said it, they did it for 20. Let me check it. Is this working or not? I will copy this. See, I am just changing the array, right or not? It's not like I'm doing anything, big thing. I'm just changing the array. Now ले लो. Array change हो गया. Object को change होता. Why it is not printing anything? Oh, Why it is not printing RAM? ये links अच्छे नहीं है. Open. Cha, they are not working links. Image links are not working. Now let's change it. Let's check this link. Is it working or not first? Sir, always remember this logic. Never use GPTs, never use GPTs or AI to complete your code. Use it for manual task. I did the code how to print it an array values into the HTML from JavaScript. I did the whole code. Now all I have to do is go to the internet, type it each and every cartoon name, take that image, storing it, writing its name. Even a kid can do that. But it's a manual work, na? Kind of thing. GPT will do it. Any GPTs will do that. Control copy. Go to this link. No, the links are not working. Mhm. No, file is not founding. Copy, paste. Links are not working. Try any another way. See, guys, in online, people will say that the AI is just coming words and AI is changing the things. 99% of the times, AI doesn't know what it is doing it only. It's a complete shit. Don't believe it that the AI can able to change AI's future or not. AI is just a tool. For example, if you can't calculate, you created one calculator. Similarly, AI is there because it can really do something silly like this only. See, this is, I don't think it will work only. Hurricane evacuation center. See how it will be connected to Shinchan. In what way? Doraemon PNG transparent image. Okay, go here. This is coming directly not found only. Let's try with GPT. Online, are you all there, ma? Online, are you all there? Did you all understand what I did today? See, I am just using AI to generate some 100 values. If it is working, it will be fine. If it's not working, I will just check it on something. See, it is only doing one Python code actually. Python is the basic code for any AI to generate or web scraping or something. See, download the file with 100 cartoons. I'm just downloading it. Directly a file is downloaded. This is literally good, Ray. Is it working? Open. No, not opening only. Why? Downloads. Open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, I got it. Dummy image. Open. Okay, this guy gave it like one dummy image named cartoon only. See, it can't do that web scraping. Web scraping is kind of difficult for the GPTs. I don't know. In future, I think next year or this year it will be done. Have you ever observed this? If you ask some silly questions, GPTs cannot answer. Why? Because GPTs have limited solution. It cannot able to search Google. Okay. Now web scraping is the next generation, I think. See, it is generating something this kind of logic. Now I will try copy cut. Let's go here. Instead of cartoons, this array, I will change it into this array. I will go here. I will just write it here. Can you see this? But understand this logic. Imagine you have a correct link, you got it now. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear? What did you created? In today's class, we put one random array. In this random array, we put it here some kind of value, which is like every object will have title and the image link. Now, you took the whole array for each. First, you created a div. What did you created? Div. Inside the div, you created an image. Inside the div, what you created? Image. And then you created one paragraph. You gave for the div, you gave one class name. How did you give? Class list, add. And for image, you gave src. Image, you gave alt. For paragraph, you gave text content. This paragraph and image, both you kept it inside the div. Inside the div. And this main div, this div you kept it in main div. This process you repeated again. Simple. I hope online it's done. Offline also done. Done na? Any doubts? No. I want at least today. See, every day people are not doing it. Very few people are doing it, and some people are trying but not creating the link. Today, I want everyone to create one link. Create any library you like. I created a library of 100 elements with cartoons. Now take it some data, nice data, and created some movies. Okay, or created your favorite actors, created your kind of books, comics, kuch bhi. You can take the same code. All I'm asking is to change the data and do it according to it. For example, if it is a book image, book title, you can print book author also. If it is a movie image, movie title, you can print year of movie also, right or not? One car, cars, bikes, kuch bhi, you can do it. If it is a product, normal products, if it is a e-commerce products, I want to print shirts, you can put a price also. I want you to think of something and keep it, sir, so that you will get a real time how it will work. Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? No. When you are trying it, if you get any doubts, you can mention it in the group Telegram, which I can see. Okay, that's it for today, ma. Thank you all. And someone asked me how to change the URL in Git, na? Beko. Here, if you are giving GitHub URL, guys, if you are changing GitHub URL, git remote add origin. You remember this line? When first time you will do this, git remote add origin, and you will give one GitHub link. You will create one repository, you will give that link. Automatically, this one will be connected to that. If you want to remove, if you want to remove, just write git remote add instead of add, git remote remove origin. If you do this, what will happen, sir? वो origin क्या में link कर दिया पहला वो डिलीट हो जाता. Now create one empty repository and again add that git remote add origin. It will work. Git remote remove origin will remove the connection between a particular link and git. Is this clear, ma Sagar? Online Sagar, is it clear? Yes. Just bring it your doubts or anything so that we will discuss. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all.